Yesterday, I got a mail from YouTube according to which my channel have been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. Therefore, monetization on my channel have been enabled. And it took nearly 22 days since the channel was under review. So what did I actually do to get out of the review process? Well, I tried writing mails to YouTube. I tried using the feedback tab on YouTube Creator Studio. But there was no response. There was no update. This was because YouTube needed a proof that it was me who was making the videos on my channel. YouTube didn't want anyone to get profit from someone else's content. YouTube never wanted to partner with someone who just copies others' video. Therefore, I had to give a certain proof that it was solely me who was making the videos. Therefore, I made a video in which I showed my face so that YouTube can confirm that the videos were made by me. And that happened. And within a week, my monetization was enabled. So all I want to tell the one who are watching my video that we need at least one video that have a face. That can even be our introductory video. There is simply no sense writing mails to YouTube as there are already lots of mails with them and hardly a mail would be read. If this video helped you, then please like the video, and for more such videos please subscribe the channel.